Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change password in Netflix. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open the app, and after that go to your profile. And after that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Click on Account. Scroll down a little bit and until you find Password. Click on it, and as you can see here, you can change your password. You have to put your actual password, and after that you have to enter the new password 2 times, and you have to choose if you want to sign out of all the devices that actually using your account or not. And after that, of course, you have to click on Save. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.